What's up, my people? Is your boy at Collins Ikaslon YouTube channel. So my fans, I want us to go together today. I want to show you a very amazing, a very beautiful rally, as you can see. So I want us to go together so that I show you how rally looks like in Kenya. I don't know to your place, but I want us to go together. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, you like, you share. You watch my videos at Collins Ikaslon YouTube channel, my people. Guys, today is another day, my fans, wherever you are. It depends wherever you're watching this video. I don't know if it's good evening, good afternoon, or good morning. So today I want to show you something, my people. Today I wake up in the morning. When I want to go to where I'm working, I was like, what is going on? The rain is raining that time. And when I go back in the house, when I come out, still rain is raining. I don't know what to do that time. But when I cannot afford how to move where I'm going to work, and according to that, my people, and I have my friend telling me there is a shortcut somewhere, and when I pass there, I find there is floodings there. Mvua imenyesha. So my friends, I don't know if I want us to go together. I show you the place where I'm heading now. So I want us to go together. I show you the place where I'm heading now. I want us to go together so that we know what happened, because it is still raining now, as you can see. So some people are moving fast because it's raining. Oh, it's raining now. So I want to show you, my people, where these flats are. Some people are moving, as you can see. Even cars are moving there, as you can see. So let us go together. So I show you. As I show you, there is a very nice rail here. As I can show you, there's a very nice short. So we are using this shortcut because I cannot afford to pass the other side, because it's raining now. So as you can see, naweza kupita the other side kwa sababu kunanyesha. Nataka tuende pamoja tuonyeshe mvua imenyesha. Pia maji so watunge kupitia the other side, maji imejaa. As you can see, there is a building here. So let us go together. So I show you where I'm heading. Wow, wonderful. So today I'm showing you this. I don't know, many of us, we don't know what is the name of this. But today I'm here to show you. So I'm going to show you where the way I've told you. So let us go together. As I'm showing you this. Ni reli sasa, gari moshi napitianga hapa, as you can see. Nataka tuende pamoja ili niwaonyeshe kwenye kuko very beautiful. So this one here, as you can see. So leo nimeamua nipitie hapa nikiwaonyesha venye kuko. As you can see, so some people are planting napier grass there. Planting napier grass, kumawiki, vegetables, sugarcane. As you can see, there is a very beautiful rally here. As I show you, my people, consider subscribing my YouTube channel, watch my videos, support me here. So continue showing you. It's a very beautiful as you can see. Wow. Let us go together. Let's continue showing you this side here. Wow, these are very beautiful. So let us go together. Paka twende paka place. At the end. I want us to know where is the end of this rally. I want us to go together. Today I'm here to show you, my people. I know many of us, we don't know where this rally begins and where it will end. And I want us to go mpaka tuone mwisho wake na tuone tunaanzia wapi. So we can go. Let us go. Sichoke. Let us continue. I want us to go. As you can see, wow, I'm showing you a very amazing, very beautiful. As you can see, wow, wonderful. Wow. Well, some of us, we don't know what is this. Na tujui inaanzia wapi ama inamalizikia wapi. So this is the time us to know. Let us go together. Nionyeshe hii rally inaishia wapi ama ilianzia wapi. As you can see, this is me here showing you, my people, good things from Kenya. You know, this is what we call, I don't know to your place what is the name of this, you know. So I'm here showing you this amazing thing here. As you can see, wow, wonderful. Wow, wonderful. This is amazing, my people. Wow, as you can see, there's a moving this side. Yeah, so you can continue viewing, watching this video until we reach at the, see where I'm heading this side, where this begins and where this ends, you know. Yeah, don't worry about that. That's what I'm going to show you, how things were moving this side in Kenya, you know. So it depends wherever you're watching this video. Either it's good morning or good afternoon or good evening. I'm here because of you, my people, showing you what's just going on in Kenya. Wow, wonderful. We're just going. As you can see, we're just going, as you can see. So I want us to go together. Wow, wonderful. Wow, so it depends wherever you're watching. I don't know what is the time now. To my side, I think it's gonna be something like 5:20 something. I don't know to your side what is the time. It depends wherever you're watching this video. Either you're in UK, you are in Canada. So it depends wherever you're watching this video, my people. I'm here to go with you together. I show you. Yeah, so as you can see now, my people. Wow. So as you can see, this side here is an napier grass. So you can see here, napier grass. There's some bananas there, and some people are planting sukuma wiki and spinach. And as you can see, so it's still raining right now in Kenya. Still raining. As you can see, it's still now raining. As you can see there, my people. Wow. So it's still raining. As you can see, the cars are moving the other side. That is Thika Road, as you can see. So I'll continue showing you, my people. So this is the bridge here, as you can see here. This is a bridge. This is the bridge here. This is the bridge. And I want to cross here. As you can see, this is the bridge here now. Because the soil is raining, as you can see. Now I'm crossing here. Now we can go. So this is the bridge I'm now crossing. I'm now crossing here, as you can see. So it depends wherever you're watching this video. So you can go to my comment section. Yes, okay. I left back the bridge there, so I'm just heading this side, you know. As you can see, bananas are here. There's a bananas here. There's a bananas here, as you can see. I show you. There's a bananas here. As I show you, my people. There's a bananas here. As we are going together. Wow, wonderful, wonderful, my people. Nice one. So I show you as it goes together. Wow, nice one, my people. Let's go together. I don't know what's the time to your place, because now right now in Kenya is around 5 p.m. I don't know where you're watching this video. What is the time to your place, nigga? Yes, I'm continuing showing you, my people. Don't worry about that. So one of you are now asking yourself, where is this guy going here? Let me show you. Today is my day to show you where this really ends up. And I will not stop showing you, my people, because I want to make sure my fans are okay, are good. You're comfortable for what I'm doing here, my people. I'm here to show you where this really ends up. So you can see now. Let's go, my people. Let's go. As you can see, I'm still here with you, my fans, wherever you are. I'm still showing you this place is a very amazing place in Kenya. So either you are in the UK or you are abroad, you want to visit this place in Kenya. So I'm here to show you everywhere you want to go and how we do this and where is this place in Kenya. I'm here to show you, my people. So it's a very amazing place. It's a very good place to plant skuma, bananas, and all vegetables that you need to plant. It's a very good place. And also, it's a very good place to buy. It's a very good place to stay, even to build a house for rent, for just for your own house, you know. So it's an amazing place. It's a demanding place, you know. So let me show you. That's why I'm passing this side. I don't want to pass the other side, you know. See, so I'm showing you there is a very place there. As some people are planting maize, napier grass, cassava. As I show you, bananas are there. Wow, that's very amazing. It's looking good, you know. So some bananas are here, as you can see. People are planting bananas here. As you can see, these are very good bananas here, as you can see. So that's what I'm telling you, my people. It's a very good place to stay, a very good place to buy a land, plot, you know. So anything you want to do, if you want to visit this place in Kenya, please just go to watch this video, then go to comment section. So you can look up for me there. Then we shall talk more, so we talk, we can share ideas. I think we can help each other, my people, So don't forget to watch my video. This is at Collins Ikaslon YouTube channel. Guys, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Support me here as I show you a very nice garden there. This is a very amazing, very looking good, as you can see. So now I'm just going this side. There is a shortcut here. I want to I think there's a shortcut. I want to go this way. Wow, wonderful. I think I want us to show you this shortcut here. I'm heading this side. So this is a preparation where someone needs to plant their things here. As you can see, there's a bananas here. There's a napier grass, as you can see. As you can see. As you can see. As you can see. So let us go together.